installation for the camera model. Okay, this is Mortise front panel, indoor panel. Okay, and this is a square rod. Pay your door thickness to cut. First, we install the Mortise. Okay, now fix the Mortise. Okay, then the front panel. Okay, use the sleeve. Okay, here and here. Be attention. Okay, clutch, the arrow keep downward. Okay, keep downward, and the handle parallel direction to be left or right. Just unfasten the screw just 180 degree for rotate. Okay, square rod. Okay, to be fixed in the clutch. Keep attention here, a pin. Okay, fixed in the hole. Okay, then fix the front panel. Okay, the connection cord goes through. Okay, now you can see like this. Okay, and here cable. Okay, connection cable. Okay. Then fix the here square rod and here to this position. Okay, and hide the long cables inside the door. Okay, hide them. Okay, here last is fix the screw and this one. Okay, then put the battery. Put battery. It 8 pieces alkaline battery, but now we only have 4 pieces. Okay, just put 4 pieces. And then take the battery cover. Okay. Then we check. Okay. Use. Okay. Install completely.